In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Trello with Slack so you can receive real-time updates, alerts, and notifications directly inside your Slack workspace. If you're managing projects in Trello and communicating with your team in Slack, integrating these two tools will save you time, reduce manual updates, and keep everyone aligned automatically. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps, and if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. First, open Trello and navigate to the board where you want to connect Slack. This integration works at the board level, so make sure you're inside the correct board before moving forward. Once you're inside your board, look for the Power Up section. You'll usually find this option in the top menu of your Trello board. Click on Power Ups to open the Power Ups directory. This is where Trello allows you to add integrations and extra functionality to your board. After the Power Ups panel opens, click on Add Power Ups to browse available integrations. In the search bar, type Slack. As you type, you'll see the Slack Power Up appear in the results. Once you see Slack in the list, click on it to open its details. Now click on the Add button to enable the Slack Power Up for your Trello board. Once added, the integration becomes available for configuration. After adding it, you'll notice the Slack logo appear in your board's Power Up section. Click on the Slack logo to begin the authorization process. At this point, Trello will prompt you to authorize Slack and sign in. If you're not already logged into Slack, you'll be asked to enter your Slack credentials. Choose the Slack workspace you want to connect and complete the sign-in process. Make sure you're selecting the correct workspace, especially if you belong to multiple Slack organizations. Once authorization is complete, go back to your Trello board and click on Add Slack Alert. This is where you define what kind of notifications you want to send from Trello to Slack. Next, click on Add Slack Workspace if prompted. This step ensures your Trello board is properly linked to the correct Slack workspace. You'll then be redirected to Slack to confirm the connection. Approve the request to allow Trello to post messages into your Slack workspace. This permission is necessary for Trello to send alerts and updates. After granting access, you'll be able to choose specific Slack channels where notifications should be posted. Click on Channels and select the channel you want to receive Trello updates in. For example, you might choose a project-specific channel so your team can track progress in real time. Once you've selected the appropriate channel, confirm your selection and click Done to finalize the setup. That's it. Your Trello board is now successfully connected to Slack. From now on, you can configure alerts for card movements, due dates, assignments, and other board activity, and those updates will automatically appear in your selected Slack channel. This helps your team stay informed without constantly switching between apps. Connecting Trello with Slack is a powerful way to streamline communication, automate updates, and improve team collaboration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.